make sure and take it all in, look all around you, because it's 360, so you can see everything.
Okay.
So look the whole way down, look the whole way behind you, look at everything. Okay?
Sure.
This is actually terrifying.
Oh shit. So weird. Ah!
Oh my god, oh no, oh no, oh no! Fuck, fuck. Oh my god! Fuck, that's really scary. Oh my god.
I kind of get vertigo. Oh! Oh wow.
Am I gonna jump off this thing?
Fuck, oh my god. This is terrifying.
Holy God!